He broke out my window.
Which one?
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Patrol Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, all the normal stuff. Follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms. The links are down below. And if you want to help support the channel, you can hit me up over here at Venmo. It helps fund the public information request to get these videos. We're going to jump right into this video. This came in as a criminal mischief because of windows being broken at this house. If you guys don't remember, we have actually met this young lady before. Her name is Valerie. I'll put a link above for the original video. Now, this isn't an exciting call, but this is what we do on a daily basis, and it's pretty interesting if you ask me. There's some good one-liners at the end, too.
He broke out my window.
Which one?
Man, Nick, I'm so mad.
Are you okay, Valerie? Can I call the fire department for you?
No.
Do you need help getting up?
No.
Are you able to get up on your own?
Yes,
Okay. Do you want to get up for me, please?
I will.
Just so I know you're okay.
I'm okay.
I know, but I don't feel comfortable with you laying on the ground like that.
I'm gonna get up.
Okay.
Go to the side. The windows over there you took pictures of.
Mm-hmm.
Caesar just bust out both of them windows.
Okay. Are you home alone?
Yes,
Okay. Can you stand up for me, please, Valerie?
I will. You know my knee bad.
Do you need help standing up?
No.
Okay. Was it these ones right here?
Them over there on the bedroom.
On the other side?
On my bedroom. On my bedroom.
Okay.
I don't want to get up. I want to lay down. I'm mad, Nick.
Why are you mad?
Because I just got out of jail today. 25.
You just got out today? Well, I'm gonna definitely take pictures and stuff too, okay? Is it just those windows on your,
Did you see anybody break them?
I heard him. I just got home from Walgreens. You want the prescription?
No, you're fine.
So you just got home from Walgreens and then you heard the windows.
And as soon as I got in and went in the back bedroom, he hit the front one first. And I went and looked.
Is
It's
that all?
broke.
Is that all fresh right now? Was that
Yeah,
one from the night
fresh.
too? Okay.
Nick, you know it's fresh.
Okay. I'm just trying to do my
Can
investigation.
Nick go in your bedroom and see if he can find the rock?
Go, Nick.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go, Nick. Nick can go.
I'm
Nick
gonna
know
go
I
through this
got
way.
shot.
Alright, to bring you guys up to speed here a little bit, if you have not seen that first video and haven't watched it yet, there's an ongoing feud between this lady and her next door neighbor. The next door neighbor actually was awarded a permanent injunction against this woman because she harasses him so much and makes so many false police reports. So at this point, we go out for every call she makes, we document everything, and what ultimately ends up happening, as soon as the neighbor provides us with the video, we end up taking her to jail for filing a false police report and a violation of the injunction. She keeps calling these things saying he throws rocks at her house, this, that. And then when he shows us the video, it's actually Valerie destroying her own home on video, and we catch her red-handed. Her issue is she's a heavy drinker. If you didn't catch it at the beginning, this was her first night back home from jail after being away for, I think, about 3 months.
I'm gonna go around the back and go check your other windows, okay?
You can't go, Nick.
I'm gonna
That
go.
way. It's locked. It's locked.
Okay. I say I want to keep going through your house.
That bitch that tore up my whole house. Nick,
Valerie, when did these front windows get broken?
when you came the last
The
time.
last time? Okay, yeah, I remember that. And then those two on that side are new from today?
Right now.
What time did you hear the boom at?
When I just came back from Walgreens, my nephew
Do you
took
remember?
me to get my medicine to go to bed.
Do you remember what time that was?
If you go in my house and grab a bag, it's stated.
Was it like right? Was it like right before you?
When I got
Right before you
in,
called us?
right when it happened.
Okay.
I heard the first one on the first bedroom window. And I ran and I looked. It was broke. So I was trying to find my phone net. Then when I found the phone, he hit the second window and broke it out.
You didn't see him though? You just
I
heard
don't want to see him.
it? I mean, you didn't see, you just heard it?
Yeah.
Okay. I just gotta ask these questions, you know. Okay. I gotta ask all the questions.
What they broke when you came last time and took a survey?
This one was a little broken.
No.
No, not the
the
other.
new ones.
The other ones were not. No, ma'am.
I'm going to call my damn insurance company and see if I can recoup on it.
Yeah.
But I'm tired of him tearing up my house.
I understand. Well, we're here to help both of you, okay?
Both of you.
We gotta help everybody.
Did I tear up anything over there?
I hope not.
I never destroyed nothing.
And that's good. We gotta keep it that way, okay? Because I don't want to see you go back to jail.
I'm tired of going to jail, Nick.
I would be too.
Did you cut my pants legs off?
I did cut your pants that one time you were shot. I had to see if there was more bullet holes, and there was only the one.
Did I cry?
You didn't. You took it like a champ.
I ain't taking this like no champ.
Well, you took a bullet like a champ.
I'm not taking him like no champ.
You were taking that such like a champ. I had the time to ask you for your
Okay,
ID.
champ is done. Champ is over.
But look, Miss Valerie, we're here.
I'm Shiro.
We're here for you.
Shiro. 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 Come on, 51.
Yeah,
If
because
it ain't 51, they better move.
because you
If
took,
it ain't 51,
because you took the fall, they're gonna come check you out, okay?
is it 51?
51.
It better be 51.
It sure is.
I ain't talking nobody but 51.
This is 51 to the rescue.
Telling you, Nick, you know me.
I do, yes, ma'am.
Man, you know I went through a colic, whatever his name is. He rode to me to Bayfront.
That was
Man,
crawling.
I have been through so much in the last 12 months.
But you're strong. You can get through it.
I'm very strong.
You are.
And I'm not. Why is he tearing up my house?
Well, we're here to figure that out, okay? You gotta let us do our job, and we'll figure it out, okay? But they're gonna come check you out, okay? Because you took that fall pretty hard, and it looked like you hit your face when you went down because you had sand on your
I'm
face.
still even sand in my teeth.
How you doing, ma'am?
She came through like
I'm good.
that pretty hard. She just fell flat through the bushes, just flat face, everything in. So we just want to make sure she was okay. Miss Valerie, can you answer these gentlemen's questions so that they can check you out because they got things they gotta do too, okay?
Just answer some of our questions
And
and we'll get going, okay? Appreciate it. Can we check your vitals? Can
No,
we check your blood pressure?
no.
All right, so right here, there's some back and forth that's going on between the supervisor and the guy who lives next door. The issue is, and I'm torn on this because I do understand where the guy's coming from. He was awarded the injunction, like I said, because this woman torments him so much. But what ends up happening is she calls, she makes these allegations. Well, the only way to prove that he didn't do it is to ask him to view the footage from his cameras. And he's specifically put up cameras on his side of the house that face that whole area specifically because of these kinds of issues. So on one hand, it's good that he has the cameras, but yet she calls so much. We go and knock on his door and bug him every single time. Ultimately, results in her arrest. But right now, and the audio wasn't good enough to play it to where you could hear it, is he's pretty frustrated. He's annoyed. He doesn't want to have to go in and burn the videos and everything because him and his wife are hanging out watching a movie, and it's an inconvenience. So I don't blame him as far as that goes, because it is frustrating, but it's also a necessary evil.
You gotta understand, being in my situation, you wouldn't get pissed off. You had a shitty neighbor like this calling all the time on you. This wouldn't piss you off.
You've called on her plenty of times too.
Yes, and for what reason? Because I have full evidence of her breaking my shit, and we actually have court for the damages to the vehicle. Mine are legit. I have every time you guys have put her in jail because I had real fucking reason. She had shit besides false accusations every time. You know it. Everyone knows it.
We're done talking. You don't have the video. That's all it is.
All right.
This is my house. This is my property. I don't have to go in. If I want to sleep here, I'll sleep.
Valerie, everybody's responsible for their own actions, okay?
I didn't do nothing to nobody.
Listen to me, Valerie. Everybody's responsible for their own actions. If you would do me a kind favor and do everything within your power, have a peaceful evening.
Come here, Nick. Pick me up.
Help yourself up, Valerie. The firemen who were fully outfitted in personal protective gear gave you the opportunity to help you up and showed you otherwise. We're not going to be messing around.
Oh, my knee.
The firemen were right there, offered to pick you up.
I get up. Leave me alone.
Okay.
Have a nice night, Valerie.
Ain't nothing gonna be done.
I'm taking a report.
You're taking a report.
A report of what?
The broken windows.
Nothing.
This time I would suggest opening the door.
I will.
Okay.
I'm 60. I'm not 30.
Okay.
Here's the report number, Valerie.
Drop it right here.
Okay.
Right there.
Valerie,
What?
show me that you can stand up.
I will.
Valerie.
Valerie, can you just go inside, please, so that we can roll out and you don't
There's
have to
nobody
go
else
to the
here at
jail.
the house to take care of you.
I don't need nobody.
You just fell through a door. Normal people
It's
don't fall
my
through a
door.
door. Yeah, it's your door. It was your
I'm
door.
mad.
You fell through it. No, not out of anger. You fell through it. Normal people don't fall through doors. That's the first time I've seen that in my entire 24-year career. You cannot
Can
stand.
I have a minute?
No, you've had 10. If you can't do it, we got to take you to jail on a marchman because there's nobody here to take care of you.
Can you get up, please, so I don't have to do that?
That way, you have decisions. You have choices.
I want you to be able to sleep in your own bed, okay?
There we go.
Nick, you know my leg is bad.
I know.
Nobody can help me.
Just, you gotta step up with the other one, okay?
Right.
Okay. Can you do it, please? We have to visually see it's...
Can I sit right there?
Nick,
No,
help
we
her
gotta,
up.
we gotta get you inside, okay? I'm gonna help you inside. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. There you go.
Can you walk?
Watch your step.
Alright everybody, that's where this one wraps up today. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this situation? When you initially heard her complaints, did you think she was the victim of this situation? Did you expect the turn of events that ultimately she's the one who goes to jail for this, for lying and falsifying police reports? Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, if you didn't catch my latest breakdown, I'll put the link for that up top here. And until the next video, I want you to take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.